Alexa, I'm so sorry. If you ever need just like, you know, proof of why I hate myself, probably look no farther than this video. Hello friends. It's Saturday morning and I thought, you know, what better time to make a poor life decision than a Saturday morning. So I'm here and I'm gonna bleach and tone my own hair, which I said I was gonna stop doing, but see, the thing is, I had to get new glasses and new contacts, and I don't have vision insurance, so that was $743. Awesome, but I was getting headaches, so I couldn't put it off anymore, so that sucks. But that's like most of a paycheck, so we're doing box tie. We're just gonna get started. Also, I'm leaving my air conditioner on. It's too hot to turn it off, and we all know that this is not gonna be quality content anyway, so it's fine. I mean, the one good thing, ow, is that, you know, my hair's perfectly dirty enough to bleach it. My hair just turns to brass city. There's a pre-treatment in this one. I've never used this one before, which also not a great idea, but seems decent because I didn't want to just use straight up bleach. So this is some L'Oreal Blonde Supreme Excellence Cream, triple protection color. And don't worry, I have toners. We're just gonna put this pre-color treatment in. I'm just gonna do a little because my hair doesn't take color well anyway. Another smart thing to do would probably be to not do this in your bedroom and instead do it in a bathroom or something, but no. So I did one good thing and at least put it in, you know, this. Mixed the conditioner in with the developer just because the developer is 30 volume and I don't know if I really want 30 volume developer while I'm bleaching, so I just diluted it with some conditioner. Also, it was numbered wrong and I don't read, so there's that. Also, Alexa, I'm so sorry. My best friend is a hairstylist and usually she does my hair, but I haven't been able to go home in a hot minute, like to my parents, and she works at a salon there. So I'm breaking a rule. You do what you gotta do sometimes. Usually the way that I like to do this part is just by, this, probably put on both gloves would be a good start. Especially because I diluted this. I'm not like gonna be super precise or anything, but I just paint it on and make sure that it's, you know, more at the ends than at the upper part. Around my head at some points, like I'll leave a little bit more bare, just so that I don't have like, I don't know, I just don't want a line, you know? Since this is the bottom part of my hair, I'm not too careful. Basically, I'm not very careful with this at all, which hasn't led to any disastrous effects yet. I wouldn't say it's led to the greatest, but I also wouldn't say that I have ever completely destroyed my hair, so it's fine. Gonna go through my whole head and do that. This isn't really an instructional video, so I'm not really gonna even try to tell you what to do, honestly. I'm just gonna do it and we can laugh together at the end, right? Right. With the conditioner in there like that, but we'll find out. I'm a little nervous. I'll be back in a little bit, friends. We'll see what it looks like. washed, dried. You know, we got some stripes, but it's definitely not as bad as it could be. I wouldn't say it's like horrible, and it's not toned yet, obviously, so it's like super brassy. I just think next time I will have to be a little more careful. But I think I'm gonna leave it for a little bit and then tone it. Okay, there you go. So I got very light ash blonde, and then I also got the light ash blonde, like in the Brilliance one. I don't know. Same brand. I compared them like next to each other, and it seems like this will be nice because I can do a nice little blend of both colors. So that is the plan, and I feel like that will definitely help with some of this. Part of me feels like I should bleach it one more time to like lighten it up a bit more, but I don't really want to like burn my hair off, so I think we're just gonna go ahead and tone it. And I got this tiny little brush to help because I can, you know, be more precise and detailed. That'll be cute, but I'm also really hungry, so maybe I'm gonna like eat, and I'll be back after I eat to tone. That sounds like a good plan. Food time. My motivation to finish my hair, like my will to live, disappeared, but it's fine because ew, barely any even touched me, but I'm paranoid. I mixed a bit of each one, and then so one of them, this one where there's more, is a mix of very light and light, mostly very light, yeah, and the other one is just light. And turns out these are apparently not just toners, but they lighten your hair as well, so yeah. And I mixed it with 30 volume developer from Ion. Now I'm like really paranoid that I just like swallowed hair toner and bleach, but I really didn't. Really about to panic like I did though. Right back. It's fun. Thank you, modern medicine. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna section off the hair again because these look like those side bangs from like 2008. But you know, at least we elected Obama that year, not this demon we have now. Yeah, I'm gonna be more careful this time, I think. So I'm gonna start by just taking some of the light one. Light's gonna be more like my all over toner shade. And we'll go in with the very light to, you know, add some extra. With a smaller brush, I'm gonna take the mix that has very light ash blonde in it, and I'm gonna just paint that on a little bit smaller of sections. But I felt like putting in more like some of the ash blonde would help because obviously it'd be cooler tone, but it'd also be slightly darker just to blend in a little bit better with my natural hair color, which is closer to like this shade up here. And basically I'm just gonna continue this all over my head. So I'm just gonna start speeding y'all through now. So we'll see kind of how this goes. I'm hoping that because right now it just looks brown, like it's turning, but I guess that's still better than, you know, brassy, but hopefully it goes well. It does say that it's like a 35-40 minute developing period, so I'm gonna give it time, but hopefully it'll be like a nice, a little more blended look than I have been sporting as of late. So, you know, like when you're waiting for your hair to develop and you just like stare in the mirror just in case, you know, anything disastrous happens, because me right now. But you know, we'll see how this goes, and I will catch back up with you guys when it's done. Well, the hair is done and I'm actually I really like it. It's pretty much exactly what I wanted. So I wanted it to be kind of a little bit darker blonde, but like more all over my head, which I think looks real nice right now. But I wanted to keep my dark roots and everything because I like the look of the dark roots with like all the blonde. I don't know. And it's like ashier and it's just, I don't know, it's like a little bit darker but still blonde, and I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm a fan. Like, that did not go horribly. So yeah, I'm really excited with how it came out. So I'm gonna go now because I have to go pick up some glasses. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm glad it didn't end in a total disaster. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more lifestyle and random videos like this one, then please subscribe down below. That would be amazing. All right, bye guys.